Hello everyone, my name is Dividend Enjoyer, and today we are going to be doing a Costco stock analysis, ticker symbol COST. Costco stock currently trades for $958.82 as of the recording of this video. The year-to-date return for Costco stock is 47.36%. The PE ratio is 56.31. The yearly dividend yield is 0.48. The 52-week low is $640.51, and the 52-week high is $1,008.25. If we want to compare the performance of Costco to a competitor, I chose Walmart, even though I feel Costco is a better business model. But Walmart currently trades for 92.68 cents a share. It is up 74.54% year to date. The PE ratio is 38.10 for Walmart. The dividend yield is 0.9%. The 52-week low of Walmart is 51.87, and the 52-week high of Walmart is 96.18. Costco stock is about as quality of a company as it gets. They greatly benefit from network effects, from their memberships, and they provide an amazing experience for all of their members. I'm personally an executive member of Costco, and I receive 2% cash back at the end of the year in a gift card. And so that membership essentially ends up paying for itself. And I'm able to go there and get a great shopping experience and get all that money back that I can spend on more of their products. And I understand Costco. I think it's an amazing company. And if I'm able to figure out that it is undervalued, I am going to be buying this stock. And that is why I am making this video. Costco talks about its member renewal rate in its yearly 10K filing, saying our member renewal rate was 92.9% in the US and Canada and 90.5% worldwide at the end of 2024. The majority of members renew within 6 months following their renewal date. Our renewal rate, which excludes affiliates of business members, is a trailing calculation that captures renewals during the period 7 to 18 months prior to the reporting date. Our membership counts include active memberships as well as memberships that have not renewed within the 12 months prior to the reporting date. Our membership was made up of the following in thousands. And then you have the graph below, which shows that total cardholders have been increasing every single year, which is really good for Costco because that's where they make all of their money from. And they say effective September 1st, 2024, we increased our membership fee in the US and Canada for Gold Star, Business, and Business affiliates to $65 per year. The executive membership fee increased from $120 to $130, membership fee of $65 plus executive upgrade of $65. And the maximum annual 2% reward associated with the executive membership increased from $1,000 to $1,250. An increase in cardholders is a really good thing for Costco because it means that more people are going to be spending money at Costco and more people are going to be giving them the annual membership fee, which helps to fund so many of the operations of Costco. And I think it'll be interesting to actually calculate the percentage change year over year of total cardholders in each one. See if that percentage reflects in the change year over year of the cash flows of Costco and see just how correlated or how close those percentages are to each other. In their 10K, they say, competition. Our industry is highly competitive based on factors such as price, merchandise, quality, and selection, location, convenience, distribution strategy, and customer service. We compete on a worldwide basis with global, national, regional wholesalers and retailers, including supermarkets, supercenters, online retailers, gasoline stations, hard discounters, department and specialty stores, and operators selling a single category or narrow range of merchandise. Walmart, Target, Kroger, and Amazon are among our significant general merchandise retail competitors in the U.S. We also compete with warehouse clubs including Walmart's Sam's Club and BJ's Wholesale Club in the U.S. Many of our major metropolitan areas in the U.S. and certain of our other international locations have multiple competing clubs. Valuation portion of the video. As you can see, we have each cash flow from each year of Costco's here, along with the percentage of growth that happened. Now, the average growth rate for these three is 18.71%. Now, what's interesting is if I put that amount in, we have a DCF per share very similar to what the stock is trading at. So if you believe that this growth rate is correct, and let's say we try to put in this discount rate, then that's a big buy. I mean, if you believe that this CAPM discount rate is the correct one for the cost of equity and the cost of debt, and you believe that they're going to be able to sustain that growth rate, then the stock is undervalued by $40 for you. I kind of think that I'm going to take a more pessimistic approach, and I'm going to say that Costco is going to grow between 8 and 13%. So if the growth rate's 8%, you can see it's $468.72. So that's kind of my lower range of what I think might be fair if they really disappoint us. And then I'm going to do 10%. At 10%, it'd be worth $540, so still way off from the actual stock price. And let's go to my personal area where I would feel comfortable buying is at the 13%. And this would have been something I could have bought. As you could see, the 52-week low is $640. So at some point, I could have probably bought Costco stock and been happy with it on my upper bound. And I think it just depends on what you think Costco can do to grow the free cash flow. I think that they're more of a mature company, and I think it's going to be more difficult. So I think 13% is even really high. But if you think they can grow at 20%, then this is undervalued by about $100. So it all depends on what you think. I chose the 8 to 13 because I do think they are mature, which it says here. A typical wholesale's free cash flow growth rate can vary depending on the industry and company size, but a healthy range is generally considered to be between 10 to 20%. So if you think they're going to hit that 20% upper bound, not because they're too mature, which it says here, for mature established wholesale business, a stable moderate growth rate of around 5% might be considered acceptable. And I don't think there's this crazy amount of growth that Costco's going to experience in the future. So I don't really feel comfortable buying the stock, but let me know what you guys think and I'll get. Hello, everyone. Thank you for making it to the end of the video. If you guys want more stock analysis videos, you can see them on my playlist right here. If you guys would kindly subscribe, it would help me out a lot and I'd really appreciate it.